I use Pharmatech's windshield repair kit and I got it from Amazon. The kit comes with a blade, a push pin, alcohol wipe, adhesive disc, curing strip, syringe and plunger, repair compound which we'll call resin, and a pedestal. This is just a before picture of the damaged area on my windshield. The first step would be to use the push pin to clean any loose pieces of glass from the damaged area. Then we will use the alcohol wipe to clean up the damaged windshield area. Next, we will take the adhesive disc and peel off one side and stick it so the tab is facing upwards and the damage is in the center of the hole. Now we will peel off the other side of the adhesive disc. Firmly align the pedestal with the sticky adhesive disc with the tab facing upwards. Now cut off the tip of the resin tube, which is also the repair compound tube, and squeeze resin into the pedestal opening. Save some for later and wipe off any extra resin. Now carefully and firmly twist the tip of the syringe into the pedestal. Make sure it's tight and then hold the syringe with one hand and pull the plunger upwards completely and lock it at its lowest indent setting. This step is to take off any air bubbles. Now let it sit for 10 minutes and lightly tap the windshield to remove any air bubbles. Next, remove the syringe from the pedestal and then replace the syringe again into the pedestal opening. And this time, push the plunger down at the uppermost indent, so like halfway. And then clip it, wait for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the syringe. Use a safety razor or the blade to remove the pedestal and the adhesive disc and wipe off any resin. Last step would be to use a drop or two of the remaining resin repair compound in the middle of the damage. Place curing strip on top to hold in resin. Remove any air bubbles using the safety razor or blade. You have to wait at least 15 minutes in direct sunlight. If there is no sunlight and it's a cloudy day, then wait at least an hour. After that, just remove and wipe off any residues. This is what my windshield looks like after, which is not bad.